Hi, this clip I will introduce where should you go with your kid during National Children's Day in Bangkok. National Children's Day in Thailand falls on the second Saturday of January every year. The first Children's Day event began on October 3, 1955. Until in the year 1964, there was a resolution to change National Children's Day to the second Saturday of January. Start from Children's Museum Bangkok Chatuchak. Museum that focuses on science. There are interactive exhibits for children, both indoor and outdoor, and a water park. Here the emphasis will be on the learning process, which is divided into several zones, such as the Creative Yard Zone, Young Thai Kitchen Zone, Inventors Club Zone, Art Zone. TK Park, a learning park Central World. It is a large library in the heart of the city. It can be called a park of learning. It is located in the Central World shopping mall on the 8th floor and is very popular. It is large and spacious. There are many different genres of books available for service. There are places to sit, read, and work. There are places to choose from, including places to work and carry electronic devices or various communication devices. SEA Life Bangkok Ocean World Siam Paragon. It is an aquarium in Bangkok, Thailand, and is the largest aquarium in Southeast Asia. It covers an area of approximately 10,000 square meters, with hundreds of different animals displayed in the exhibition, totaling approximately 5 million liters. NSTDA Science Museum, Khlong 5, Pathum, Thani. It is a unique building, characterized by the shape of 3 connected cubes. The building consists of 6 floors of exhibition space, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. Basic science content in daily life is displayed. And science in Thai wisdom. The Science Museum officially opened on June 8, 2000. Dino World Fest Central World Plaza in front of Central World. Safari World. A large safari park allows children to have close contact with animals big and small. There are both normal zoo zones here and open zoo zone that allows tourists to drive in and see various kinds of animals up close. In addition, the zoo also has various shows, from intelligent animals, various parades, including feeding the giraffes up close as well. Siam Amazing Park, Suan, Siam. It is a museum, shopping center, amusement park and water park. Located on Suan Siam Road, Khlong Nayao Subdistrict, Khlong Nayao District, on an area of 300 rai. The highlight is that within the project, there is a large artificial sea, which is the origin of the nickname Bangkok Sea. This artificial sea is the largest artificial sea in the world. Siriraj Medical Museum. To learn a lot, whether it's a medical museum, there are displays of various body organs, preserved in resin, various diseases and disorders and the use of medicine to diagnose various cases, such as the Siwi Nuanchoi case, determining the cause of death or identify those who died in the tsunami, etc. There is also an anatomy museum. The blood system, nervous system, muscles, and various parts are on display in the human body. The last part is Siriraj Pamukstan, exhibiting about ancient sites and various antiques that were discovered within the surrounding area, show history of founding and the hospital's medical and public health services until the present. Thank you for watching.